Hi everyone, here we've got VERNEE M5 and let me share with you how to enable, so how to turn on or off the LED notification light. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, so let's do it, and here we have to scroll down and find the device section. Now let's tap on the display, and here let's scroll down to actually very bottom, and here we've got the pulse notification light, which is right now turned off. If you'd like to turn it on, just tap on the switch right here. To turn it off, tap on it again. This is how it works. So from now on, this option is active, and if you will have any new notifications, then your device will announce it to you just by showing you right here the LED notification light. So actually that's all. This is how to turn on or off the LED notification light in your VERNEE M5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.